Hello friends, I welcome you all in Easy Tips for Happy Life. Today I am going to discuss about the top 15 benefits and uses of beetroot, chukandar, for the good hair, skin and health. Beetroots are reddish purple colored taproots that are edible and go by different names like table wheat, red wheat or garden wheat. Beetroot rich in potassium, magnesium, iron, vitamin B6, AC, nitrate, etc. It can be eaten raw as a salad or cooked without peeling its skin to retain all the nutrients in it. Consuming it regularly can give you a lot of health benefits, and some of the beetroot benefits I am going to tell in detail. Health benefits are here. First and foremost health benefit is it can reduce stroke, heart attack and blood pressure. This is because nitrate get oxidized when mixed with blood, forming nitric oxide that enlarges blood vessels and increases the oxygen content in blood. Consuming beetroot on regular basis is important to have a healthy heart because it is very rich in nitrate. Second thing, it is best antioxidant. Antioxidants are essential to support the immune system. Colorful fruits and vegetables are said to contain antioxidant properties. Beetroot, being red in color, contains beta-cynine, a very good antioxidant, and can reduce LDL, also known as bad cholesterol. Third thing is the brain factor. Decline in mental power is very common among aged people. As they get older, they tend to lose memory power. Consuming beetroot is the best solution for this problem. Beetroot, when consumed, can increase the blood flow to the brain, which in turn reduces the effect of dementia. Next thing is it is health provider for your bones. As beetroots contain natural minerals like silica, it helps the body to utilize the calcium consumed in a proper way, providing strength to bones and make the bones stronger. It also contains nutrients like magnesium, vitamin C, folate, that are the best supplements to strengthen your bones. The next benefit, it is best for controlling the cholesterol level in your body. Adding beetroot to your regular diet can help lowering the cholesterol level. This is because beetroot are rich in soluble fibers that can reduce and control bad cholesterol or LDL. Next benefit is it is the best nutrient supplier. Beetroots are rich in nutrients, help to boost your immune system and can produce new blood cells. Beetroot contains folic acid, iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, fiber, vitamin C and carbohydrates. Folic acid, otherwise known as folate, is essential during pregnancy as it can prevent spina bifida in fetus. Folic acid also enhances the tissue growth. Beetroots were also used in earlier days to treat improper digestion. Iron content in the beetroot can prevent anemia. Next benefit is it is best energy provider. Beetroot juice before any exercise or physical activity can boost up your performance as beetroot stimulates your body blood vessels and is a very good energy provider. Next benefit is it controls blood sugar. Beetroot can stabilize the glucose level in blood. So when beetroot juice is consumed regularly by diabetic patients at least thrice a week, it can bring a lot of changes in the blood sugar level. This is due to soluble fibers in beetroot. Every healthy diet consumed must contain soluble fiber. Next benefit is it is very good for weight management. Beetroots are high in fibers and low in calories. It is popularly used in weight loss diet due to the soluble fibers present in it that helps to fight against fat. Beetroot also helps to cleanse the toxic and excess water from the body. Thus, we can say that beetroot nutrients help skin glow also. The next benefit of beetroot is as the medicinal purpose. It can also treat cancer. Terrible diseases like colon cancer and liver cancer can be prevented if beetroot juice is consumed regularly. This is due to the detoxifying property of beetroot, and it can also be rightly called as the liver's best friend. Next benefit of it detoxifies your blood. Beetroot not only provides essential minerals and nutrients for the body to maintain a healthy skin, but also helps to detoxify the blood. Beetroot juices consumed on a regular basis can help to reduce acne and pimples problem, which are caused due to impurities in the blood. It is also very good in reducing sign of aging. Beetroot juice helps to cleanse the blood and provides healthier skin. It also contains antioxidants which helps in reducing free radicals in the body and reduces early signs of aging. The benefits of the beetroot of skin are unlimited. No matter in which form it is consumed, it will help you to provide a fair and radiant look to your face and skin. Consuming of beetroot can also give you the good hair as it fights against dandruff. Beet juice contains protein, phosphorus, potassium and many other essential vitamins and minerals which improve blood flow to the scalp. It removes the dead skin from the scalp and helps in the hair growth by removing excessive oil from the scalp. It has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which remove and heal the dead skin and condition the scalp to make it healthy and dandruff free also. It strengthens the root of the hair and opens the dead pores to make them absorb more nutrients into the scalp. Beetroot is dark in color, so it can also be used as a natural hair dye. It contains carotenoids which help in maintaining the thickness of hair and give them a healthy shine. But now I am going to tell you how to use it for the best benefit. Steaming is one of the best ways to consume beetroot as it does not destroy the nutrients and the vegetables. If it is used in a raw way, then it is the best for all type of the health benefits. Overall, I can say that health is wealth. Without a healthy body, life can be an impossible journey. Only a healthy and fit person can cope up with today's fast-changing world. A healthy mind can only exist in a healthy body. So, the vegetables like beetroot can provide us a way to choose a healthy lifestyle. So, my dear friends, if you like my views, please like the video and share my channel. Thank you.